kindly like and subscribe to my channel for easy and simple lecture sessions related to BBA, BCOM, MBA and MCOM. So we can say that it is the responsibility of the management to remove the difference of opinion within the organization employees. As we know that this difference of opinion is the main cause of organizational conflict. The conflict management can work firstly to prevent the conflict before it occurs, and if the prevention is not possible, then the management should work in resolving the conflict by taking certain curative measures. Now let's first discuss the preventive measures. The organization should work to improve the trust and communication between the employees. As we know that the main cause is the difference in the opinion. So this will result in reducing the misunderstandings among the employees. Then as we also know that the conflict also occurs due to the scarcity of resources. So the interdependence among the employees for certain kind of resources should be prevented, which will also play an important role in reducing the conflicts. Then there should be proper coordination and employees should be consulted in decision making. The goal alignment of the employees within the organization goals also prevents conflicts. The organization structure should be proper and the authority should be strong enough so that all the employees abide by the organization decisions. Next are the curative measures that are adopted by the organization once the conflict has occurred. The first technique in this case is the collaborating, which follows the rule I win, you win. So collaborating means working together by integrating ideas set out by multiple people. The main objective here is to find a creative solution that is acceptable to everyone. Then is the compromising. So this technique follows the rule you bend, I bend. Compromising means adjusting with each other's opinions and ideas and thinking of solution where the some points of both the parties can be entertained, and similarly the both parties need to give up some of their ideas and should agree with each other. The next accommodating technique follows the rule I lose, you win. So accommodating means giving up ideas and thoughts so that the other party wins and the conflict ends. Then the fourth technique under curative measures is the competing. So this technique follows the rule I win, you lose. So in this case, the people or the group are not willing to collaborate or adjust with the opposition or the conflicting party, but it simply wants the opposite party to lose. So this kind of technique is mostly used when we know that we are exactly right and time is short and quick decisions are to be made. Then the last type of curative measure is the avoiding. So this technique follows the rule no winners, no losers. So avoiding means the ideas suggested by both the parties are rejected and a third person is involved who takes the decision without favoring any of these parties. The conflict management suffers from certain barriers which hampers timely solution to organizational conflicts. Firstly, the conflict management machinery should be able to discover the factors that can result in conflicts. The proper planning should be there to deal with the conflicts. The communication process should also be proper and should be a two-way process where the feedback from the employees can be easily obtained. As we know that improper or lack of communication is a main barrier in conflict management. Then similarly, the grievance handling should be quick and fair, as improper grievance handling give rise to various kinds of conflicts. Then the biasness or the partiality, we can say, often results in increasing the conflicts. The decisions should be impartial and be free from any kind of pressures. Then finally, the unwillingness to compromise or admit problem are also the main barriers in conflict management. So we can conclude that in order to improve the conflict management machinery, the organization should work on removing these barriers.